Today, I'm going to talk about a new feature on TV with Roku system, both for Roku TV and Roku Express. Now, the Meta Player has arrived. It's an application that runs your streaming channels. The Meta Player is an official application for Roku TV. Just download it directly from the channel store on your TV. To use it, as soon as you open the application on the home screen, there is a QR code, MAC, and OTP code. These two codes are sent to the server so you can test the application. The application itself has no content. You will need a personalized link. What's good about Meta Player is the option to search for content by name, which makes it easier to find a channel. The Meta Player is an application that you need to buy a usage license that costs $7.99. But before that, you can try it for free for 7 days. It's worth testing to get to know it. If you have any doubts about the application and the usage license, and how to test Meta Player, in the pinned comment and in the description, we have our WhatsApp. If you need a usage license and say that you came through this video, you will get a discount on the annual usage license. I hope this tip has been useful and that you can make the most of your TV channels and streaming applications. Read the description, as I always leave additional information that will help you. And if you liked it and want to see more content like this, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all our updates. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.